One of the things that really strikes me is that there's not a lot of themes out there that actually just do what you want them to do. So being from elegantmarketplace.com and Page Builder Cloud, etc., I thought that the SitePresser plugin from Sean Barton and Melissa Love needs a bit of user interaction. Yes, the demos are great. Yes, the concept is great, but I'm not sure that people are actually getting it. So this is basically how you use it and how you can use it as a developer to make your life much easier. And even if you want to start selling your own themes, whether it's on Elegant Marketplace or any other marketplace, then this is the perfect solution for you, because you can create a plugin that then installs via the plugin menu, not the theme menu, and then installs your own website. So this is a very simple Gutenberg website that I've downloaded from Astra. I'm using Astra on this website, the free Astra version, which is phenomenal, frankly. And they do some templates that are, again, free. Now, once you've designed it and made it your own, you can do something like this. And I'm going to do it in real time to show you exactly how long it takes to do this. I've installed SitePresser, which you can get from the elegantmarketplace.com, and I just go to SitePresser, and it says a previous exported zip was created, so that's fine. I can download that, but I want to basically start the process again. You can say who it's by, install and activate this plugin, import a plugin URL, whatever. You can change all that. So for instance, it comes from Somebody's Hero, which is my UK agency. I'm the author. My website is the author website thing. I can do a video like this, maybe even, and I can give a documentation URL for people. But the simple fact of the matter is that you do not need to do that. So I'm going to create another one. SitePresser goes through it and sets it all up. It's told me that I've got a download zip of 11.27 megabytes, which isn't so bad, but it's telling me that I've got the customizer in there, I've got the plugins in there, I've got the config file, and it's created the final zip. So let's download this. And you can see that it's already there anyway. And then I go to my vanilla website, which is nothing. It's just a WordPress website. There's nothing else on this. There's no plugins in there or anything. I go to my dashboard, plugins, add new, upload the plugin, choose the file. Let's choose the one that I downloaded so we know it's the latest version. And this will now go through the installation process. Now it's got to upload nearly a 12 megabyte file, but that's fine. That's all done. I'll say activate plugin. And here we are. So this is why you don't really need documentation, because it's all there. I didn't rebrand it, unfortunately, but you can do. And I just want everything imported. Begin the site import. These are all free plugins, by the way, that I'm installing, and they come with Astra. That installs all your images. And there's certain checkboxes that you can check, install the homepage. I just left them all checked because it's a vanilla install. And you can see the progress bar here. It's a really beautifully designed plugin. And it's for newbies and it's for developers as well. So that's now 100% installed. Let's see what message it gives us. You should now remove this plugin from your site as it's no longer necessary. So I can go to the plugin, installed plugins, I can deactivate that, delete it, and that's just saved me 12 megabytes of space. So when I go to the site now, there it is. That's the whole website, everything that's there, including the things that you've added. I haven't changed anything on this, so it's not. I don't recommend you do that because it's not fair on Astra and everybody else. But you can basically build your own theme, export it, and have your built-in exporter there. SitePresser, available on elegantmarketplace.com. It's a phenomenal plugin. Just as a reminder, it also does Divi and Elementor, and there's loads of add-ons coming as well. I've used the standard one, which is Gutenberg, because this site is built with Gutenberg blocks. Thanks for watching, and go out there and make some money.